See how it's easy to create a Google form. Just search on Google form. Now come down and here you will find Google Forms create. Click on this. Here you will find two options, personal and business. You will have to click on personal. Go to Google Forms here. After clicking on that, you will find this form. Now here you can make any type of forms that you want. You will find so many types of uh, category of questions that you can make, like I am showing you short answer. You can say the person to whom you want to fill the form to give their short answer, paragraph answer, multiple choice, check boxes, drop down, file. They can also upload their files like audio, video, linear scale, and you can check that. I'm not going to show. You can check that and you will find what is that. So let's create 2 to 3 question here. First, give a topic. Here you will see untitled form. Here you can give the topic of the form like I am giving right now. Suppose like any company name AK Edu Foundation. It's my company name. Next, form description. Here you can see this form is to check the satisfaction in my employees. Right? Okay. Now we will put questions. Here untitled questions where you will see, click here and you will find, put there your question on untitled questions like your name or your cute name. Now here comes the option, so answer text. It's already, here is one more beautiful thing about Google form. It will automatically very often choose the right option that is needed for the question. So you don't have to choose from here like which type of answer should the person will give. But even if you think that the Google has suggested you is not the right option to write their answer, so you can choose after that, right? So according to this question, your kit name, Google already have suggested you to write their short answer text, right? So now we are going to give next question. Here you can see here is a plus option. For next question you will have to click on that. Click on plus action. Now you will see here second question number is here. Like I want their email ID, your email ID or your best email ID. One more thing you can do, if you want that these questions are very important, so you can do what? You can do here for every question you will find in the downside required. If you will click on that, this will be a must fill up questions will be for them, because if they will not fill this question, the Google will form will not be accepted by Google. So they will have to fill this option. So if you will click or make this require, they will have to it will become a compulsory question for them. Now this is how you can make so many questions by clicking on plus icon. After creating this, now comes here and here you will find so many icons at the top of this page. Now you can click on this button and make a copy. You can click on this. Here you can see add collaborators. Like you can make another person or any person. Suppose you are running a company and you have a partner and you want to share this form with your partner, like as a collaborators, not as an employee who will fill the form. By doing this, if you will make a collaborator, so the person will also be see whose email id you will enter here. He will also be able to see all the data that employees are filling up, right? So make sure, if there is any co-employee with you, sorry, not co-employee, any uh, owner apart from you, any partner of your company, so make them collaboration in this form. And now we are here to send the link to others. What we will do, click here, right, and come downside, you will find a copy of this form. 1 second. Yeah, after clicking on this icon you will find link. This link is so large, so you can click on shorten url and this link will become very short. Now you can click on copy and now it's good to go to share with other people. As I am sharing, right? Now what? So many people have filled this form. How can you check the what their responses are? You can check that by clicking on the same page here, responses. If you will click here, you will find so many data. Because this form is not filled by any person, so there is no data. But if so many people will fill the form, you can see here so many things, their phone numbers, email ids, and all the things that they have filled, their opinions. So this was all for this topic, how to create a Google form. Thank you so much.